what's up? So it is currently 6:04 and I'm at school. I usually like to get up early, get a jump on the day, and so I got up. My alarm went off at 5. I got up, rolled out around 5:20. Not ideal, but whatever. A little bit of a slower morning. I wasn't gonna work out this morning because I worked out last night, which I'll get to in a minute. And so I'm here at school, and obviously there's no one else here. I've got the entire classroom to myself, which is wonderful. If that light that's bouncing off that wall is not my iPad, that's this light. There's a massive smart screen in the room. That's what's bouncing that light back there. But it was interesting actually walking here this morning, because last night I went on a run, 3 miles, nothing crazy, and it was 39 degrees. 39 degrees, not that bad. But what I noticed was 39 degrees felt a lot colder this morning. It felt a lot colder this morning when I walked than last night when I went on my run. Also, I was just scrolling on Twitter, and Apple just released a new computer, so that's cool. Nothing interesting, just a chip update, but it's cool. Weird time of the year to do it. January 17th. Weird time to do it. If it's not a plane, it's a train. These things go by like all day and they're so long. Holy cow. Like I'll just be sitting here in the classroom. Boom. Train. Boom. Those people going by all day. So here's the deal. I recorded literally nothing else yesterday, and by nothing else, I mean legitimately nothing else. Because, well, I got home from class, and I just did nothing for the rest of the day. And I'm probably not gonna do much today either. There's breakfast for you. Not sponsored, but that's my breakfast because I didn't get anything from my house because we don't really have much that's not frozen. So came to school, grabbed some more bites. No, but like I said, I did no more recording yesterday. I've been looking at what I'm gonna do this weekend. I'm looking at probably getting my phone screen replaced. It's $30 because this one, you probably can't see it in the light, but I know we've talked about it before. I'm gonna focus on it even. It's really like insanely beat up and cracked. So I'm looking at maybe getting that replaced. So that might be an interesting thing this weekend. We will see what we see there. But there's nothing really going on. Tomorrow is a bunch of presentations about canonicity of the Bible and just books inside and outside the canon. That'll be fun. But there's really just not much going on. This is the end of the intensive. Classes officially start on Monday. Not excited for that. 21st. But yeah, so that means I have to take geometry. I'm not looking forward to that. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do this morning. I'm just gonna work on some projects, some scripting stuff, some business stuff, send a couple emails. But yeah, so I will probably pick this back up after class. I'm not gonna record it in class. So I'll probably pick this up after class and we will see what we can figure out after that, and maybe we'll do something. No promises. I still have my GoPro mount on my bike, so who's to say I won't do something with that. So I will catch you guys in a couple hours. So this is, I guess, gonna be a longer vlog. I'm just gonna combine yesterday's and today's, like I said. So stick around. You never know what you'll see. Maybe something interesting, maybe not. You know what? Either way is probably fine. I was watching the Apple event yesterday, and it never ceases to amaze me how far Apple pushes technology, right? Because, like, the M1 was insane. then they released the M2. And they released the M2. They just released the M2, right? And it's the M2, whatever it was, the Pro and Max. And it's just insane to me what they can cram in these chips. Cause like you can make a powerful computer. Okay, been there, done that, took pictures. I have them. I have powerful computers that can edit 8K. I mean, my 2019 can edit 8K footage. Not well, it can edit it. But then you take like that computer that's powerful, right? And then you just take that dial. What Apple does is they take that dial and they just spin it like 100,000 times. And then out pops M2 Pro and M2 Max. And M2, and I don't know what kind of devilry they have going on in those computers. Literally insane what they are capable of doing with this stuff. Cause like, I don't understand what they're doing. I really don't. I'm trying to, and I can't figure it out. Like, what are they doing with these computers? Also, this is like really hella bright light. What are they doing to these computers? My face is so blown out, whatever. I don't know what they're doing to these computers, and it makes no sense to me whatsoever. It's presentation day, which means I need to be a lot more prepared than I am. Which is fun. I have a knot in my cable. I have 2 hours and 10 minutes. Well, no, 2 hours and 50 minutes until class starts. And then I'll have until 11:30, no, 11, to finish this presentation and get it absolutely ready. But there's also no exact with that because some of the other people may not be ready, and so we may be taking over or something like that. So basically I need to finish this stupid presentation. This is fun. Okay, well, I get to work on this, so let's go. Yo! It is the lovely time of 4:47. That camera is crooked. I should fix that. Come on. Right there. There we go. 4:47. I just finished an interview for a project I had to do, which actually went surprisingly well. That's great. Also, this lighting. It's pretty nice. I know, right? So basically we got new lights. You can probably see them like right there. Hey Siri, dim the lights by 50%. I can do that. That's pretty nice. Hey Siri, turn the lights up all the way. Hey Siri, turn off the colored lights. Hey Siri, turn on the colored lights. There we go, cool. So, lighting, a little bit different, which is nice. But again, just finished with the interview, and I didn't post a vlog yesterday, and I realized that it's Thursday. I didn't post one Tuesday or Wednesday, but I'm gonna try and get this one up for Friday. And I'm sorry about that, I just didn't have much going on. I had some projects, had my presentation this morning, which actually went surprisingly well. I actually need to tell somebody about that. But it went well, and it was really interesting how smooth it went, because we were working with someone else, and it was hard communicating because they were in a different country, but whatever. So got it done though, went swimmingly, And so now I'm back home. Obviously that was this morning. It's again 5, and so it's been a chill day. Yesterday was just kind of chaos, just trying to get prepped. I got a box from my parents. We actually have a iPhone XS here. It's a lovely iPhone XS that we're gonna try and repair. Come on, you're not gonna focus? Oh, come on. Come on. No, okay, fine, whatever. Well, we have this iPhone XS, and here we go. We have this iPhone XS, and we're XS Max actually, that we're gonna try and repair, get functioning, and maybe sell. Right now it's just stuck in a boot loop, which is kind of sad. There we go, focus. But again, we're just kind of play around with that, play by ear, take it to the Apple Store this weekend. I'm going to get my iPhone 13 screen replaced, 29 bucks, because again, like I've said 100 times, it's really scratched. Talked about that on Monday's vlog. I'm gonna drop that, get that replaced. I need to schedule one actually this evening. Yeah, but it's been really chill. It's been good. Got a box from my parents, got some candy, some other stuff, but yeah. So, I mean, I had all these great ideas for the vlog, kind of, but I just don't really know what to put in it because my life's pretty chill, because it's, again, college. I want to start getting some more content in the vlogs, though. So, we'll see. Yeah, I guess I'll probably just post this now because I'm not really having anything else to add. I'll probably do one starting tomorrow night because that's technically the weekend. We have a partying class tomorrow for the end of the intensive, and then after that it's weekend, and then classes start on Monday, so that's awful. I have another interview tomorrow with a friend, well, with my roommate actually. He and I are going to interview someone else for a project, so that'll be interesting to see how that goes. But again, life's pretty chill these days, so I guess I'll just cut it here. I'm at 4 minutes, record some stuff this morning, whatever. And I will catch you guys this weekend when we go down and get my phone worked on and all of that. So I'll catch you guys then. Cut the vlog here. Like and subscribe. See you guys around. Take it easy, fam. Peace. Also, this lighting is pretty legit, so I'm pretty happy.